is our fourth load today. Yorkville truck again. Going to be loading the U-Haul. Got a few pieces of trash there too. We've got the 7-man crew ready to go again. Make fast forward. This is our 50-yard dumpster, the third U-Haul truck. Yorkville, Illinois today, doing our fifth 50-yard dumpster and our third U-Haul truck. And this will be also, we're going to load our second trailer for the customer. Total of about 330 cubic yards we're going to be doing. We'll document our work as we go today. Packing the dumpster, packing the U-Haul at the same time we're packing the dumpster. We got these two expert movers packing the U-Haul for the customer. We're going to give them their money's worth as far as getting the best pack in this U-Haul truck. So we're giving them both moving and junk removal at the same time. Plenty of room in the dumpster still. We've got, this is our fifth 50-yard box. This should wrap it up in the house hopefully. And we'll update as we go today. There's a lot of stuff coming out of this house. We've got the right crew to get it done. So we're doing moving and junk removal today, maxing out the use of our U-Haul trucks, taking apart all these plastic shelving units for the customer. Packing everything in really tight. We got two expert packers on the truck. Everything flat. We're flattening out these shelving units. We'll get more on the truck that way. They come apart. And then we just demoed about 14 large shelving units. Demoed out in flat, so we got more in the truck. So we cleared out a 3,000 square foot basement in this house. This was all piled up with materials. This is a couple weeks ago. 3,000 square feet of stuff. Just about empty. House is going to be sold. Just a few more odds and ends to be cleared out. In Yorkville, Illinois. And we're in Yorkville, Illinois. We're doing some more demo in the attic. We're going to be taking all these shelving units out, taking them down and busting them up into smaller pieces so we can get them into the dumpster, get more space, correct, efficient use of the dumpster. Keeps on coming today. We're packing this U-Haul truck just about full with it. And we're going to get another trailer. She's got another trailer she's bringing. We're going to load that up. Total's about 440 cubic yards of stuff moved out of this place. This is our fifth 50-yard box. The fifth U-Haul. Awesome work. Awesome. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. And we're about to wrap up this U-Haul back piled high and deep, going all the way several hundred miles with our customer. We've done a lot of work at this house. This may be our last day here. And we're piling it the best we can for the customer. And we're going to continue a couple more. Okay, so now we're on our second trailer at the same house. And we just filled the U-Haul 22-footer and the 50-yard dumpster. Now we're working on another trailer for the customer. We're reloading a bunch of boxes in here. Starting to get dark out. So it got dark out, so we just lit up the place with one of our lights. We're going to continue loading this trailer. We're still in Yorkville today. So far it's 5 50-yard dumpsters, 3 U-Haul trucks, and 2 trailers. I think it's about 330 cubic yards so far. And we're still at it in Yorkville, Illinois. It got dark. We're still going at it. We got our own trouble light, work light we brought. It was a big house full of stuff today. Okay, everything's
Some
going
bags?
good. Everything is going good. Yeah, we want bags now. We're updating. We're in Yorkville. Nighttime and we're loading the trailer. He's doing a great job packing everything. We're going to be keeping going until we're full. So we're wrapping up our trailer now in Yorkville. We've been working here several hours. And it's looking good.